because we're gonna do another one just to show you guys. Alright, so still in Virginia. We're gonna go to jail. Our shop didn't get closed down. I just haven't gotten around to posting any videos because I've just been working at my shop and helping them a lot at the shop, getting a lot of irrigation done. So yeah, we've just been working, and I've taken a new hobby of fishing. So I've been going to fish a lot lately. Caught some really big fish. We're still gonna be doing more videos. I'm just waiting on parts to show up for my 20B engine, the drag car. I left some parts in California, so I had to get my friends to ship them out to me. And the RX-8 is getting a lot of upgrades, so that's coming probably next week, hopefully, or this week, so I can get it done. But for now, I'm just gonna show you one of the coolest things that happened to me when I was in California before I left out here, before the Corona thing happened, which was Tomoya coming to my shop and literally blew my mind. God, I didn't know he was gonna show up. He missed his flight because I think he got rescheduled because of the virus. And out of nowhere, while I'm working at the shop, and I look outside my window, and there's Tomoya outside my shop. I never even gave him my address. He just showed up out of nowhere, which was really cool because it was so unannounced. It just took me by surprise. So here's Tomoya visiting my shop in California. It's been 4 months since it ran.
This is the race gas?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I run the same in my car.
Yeah. Good smell.
Oh yeah.
Big race. Let's see.
Where's the laptop at? There you go. It was stuck, you saw that? The people was stuck.
Yeah, stop. Ah!
Yeah.
Gusto de cagata.
Very loud.
Very loud. Cacarizo. Magic stick. cow.
The turbo? Oh
Yeah.
It's the same as that one.
Yeah.
It's Hertz little turbo. This one I have to get it ready to drive it by next month.
Next month?
Yeah, I want to do 90 seconds in the corner.
Oh.
That's fast.
Yeah.
But I have to adjust all this so the car goes straight.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is this. We built this car in 12 days.
Really?
Yeah, 12 days, so like nothing
Yeah.
to this. So I mean, it needs to be, this needs to be fixed up. Yeah, stock transmission.
Oh, really?
Yeah, third gen.
For FC.
Huh?
For FC?
Nah, empty.
Everything?
Yeah.
Ah, everything.
No intercooler though. Straight turbo.
Straight turbo. Yeah. So, what oil pump?
GSOS.
Oh, just
In the front, there's a third, it's a empty engine
yeah.
with a GSLC front cover and oil pan, so it's straight. Can you open this one? And then the VC cover.
Yeah.
There's one for you.
Oh!
Thank you.
Oh, gee. My friends, last year we get to go to Panama Gallery.
Yeah.
In Wisconsin. Yes, my friend is huge fan.
Yeah.
So he want, I want a sticker to present to him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then give me another one.
You feel more excited?
No. Good.
Good. Yeah.
Now's your car.
Yeah.
You can drive it now.
It's my car.
Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1. Ready?
He's my producer.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. There you
This is funny. Design.
I'll send you that monkey one when I get it done.
Broken. What is life?